Should you buy Visa stock? Visa reported earnings last week, causing the stock to rally around 3%. Based on the current share price, Visa now has a market cap of $430 billion. With $16 billion in cash and $21 billion in debt, the enterprise value is roughly $435 billion. Revenue over the last 12 months was $30 billion and net income was $15 billion with just over $7 earnings per share. That means the company is valued at 14 times revenue or 32 times earnings. That high PE ratio is understandable since Visa is one of the best businesses in the world. The company has grown revenues around 11% a year over the past 10 years and earnings around 20% a year. It handles 150 million transactions every day, with 50% of Visa's top-line revenue heading straight to net income. Last year, 59% of transactions were made with cash, down from 72% in 2019. So Visa still has plenty of growth ahead as cash continues to be displaced. Let's assume Visa grows earnings at 15% per year for the next 10 years, lower than the historical average, and then trades at 25 times earnings. That would give the company a market cap of $1.5 trillion, include dividends, and the investment return sits right around 15% per year. However, it's not all good news. A federal bill in the US called the Credit Card Competition Act is seeking to drive down credit card transaction fees and jumpstart competition in the space. The bill specifically targets the Visa and MasterCard duopoly, whose swipe fees have climbed above 2.2%. It gives merchants more choice over which payment networks to use and highlights the political risk against the two companies. This bill may not get through Congress, but if it does, it would impact the roughly $80 billion in transaction fees that flows to banks and payment networks like Visa every year. It's a clear risk, but it could also present a buying opportunity. The long-term prospects for Visa should stay intact, and Visa's PE multiple is already trading at the low end of its historical range. On balance, I continue to give the stock a bullish rating. But these are my personal opinions, not financial advice, and I do own shares in Visa stock.